Hi guys, it's your boy MK from Carter Studios, and today we'll be taking a look at the OPPO A9 2020. It's a new device that was announced earlier in September and will be going on sale from the 16th to 20th of September this month. And it will be coming in two variants, which includes the 4GB 128GB ROM variant and the 8GB 128GB ROM variant. So these two devices will be coming at a steep price, which will be at probably for the 4GB variant will be at 85,000 naira, and the 8GB variant will be coming in at close to 100,000 naira. So definitely a flagship device, and it's a good device, having about 86% screen to body ratio, and it's very smooth, having a Gorilla Glass 3 on it. Definitely this is a wonderful device to check out this year to see how it performs, but it's going to be coming in with a Snapdragon 655, which will be good for gaming, as a lot of us actually game on our smartphones, and it will be good to run all your games and just portable enough for you to use and carry around as your daily driver. So definitely this device will be coming in very soon. Will you be getting this device from OPPO? OPPO has been known to make quality and actually good devices, and let's not forget it will be coming with multiple cameras behind. And from the launch it was stressed that it will have an ultra night mode. This is very good to capturing good photos at night, good quality photos with a lot of highlights and a lot of dynamic range at night. Definitely something we would like to see when we have a full hands-on review about this device. And nevertheless, it will be coming with the Dolby Atmos and dual stereo speakers, giving you quality sound whenever you are watching any media or consuming any media content. This is actually a good one, and is actually good so that anytime you are holding the device, you can actually, if your hand actually blocks one of the ports, you can actually still hear a very good quality sound from this device. And one major thing not to forget, this mobile device will be coming in with a whopping 5000 milliamp battery. I'm definitely having a good feeling about this, because this is something I would like to test, having the device on hand to see how long this battery lasts. But having a 5000 milliamp battery on this device is going to be wonderful. Definitely will get a lot from this. I would like to hear your comments about this device. Will you be getting this device when it comes out? If you have any opinions or options about this, you can drop your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get all the videos and latest tech that will be dropping on this channel. This is a lovely device from OPPO, and this is me signing out from Carter Studios.